This is a Therapack ice pack for injuries, and it just works wonderfully. So I've had 4 knee surgeries, and sometimes if I walk too much or if I dance too much the night before, my knee is hurting me so badly. So that's when I put this in the freezer for a couple of hours and then apply it to my knee. I usually put a towel around it, and it just feels so good. Usually I put it on about 15 to 20 minutes, and it just feels so great afterwards. The nice thing about this, it has a Velcro, just like that. And the best thing about this, it's a 2-in-1. It doesn't just freeze, it also does heat as well. All you have to do is microwave it for 30 seconds and then apply it to whatever injured area you have. So I sometimes suffer from shoulder pain, and it's so nice that I can just put it around my shoulder, and it has this nice long Velcro strap, which is also flexible too. And then it can hold it in place for as long as I want, just like that. How perfect is that? I was sent this from Therapack to evaluate, and I absolutely love it. I love that you can use it for hot as well as cold too. And it just feels so nice and easy to use. All you have to do is pop it in the freezer, and then you're good to go. Another nice feature is it's flexible. So you can easily wrap it around your leg, your arm, your shoulders, as well as your knees or ankles too. This is also pretty large too. It measures 14 inches by 6 inches, and it's so squishy and comfortable. I definitely recommend using it. I was sent this from Therapack to evaluate, and I absolutely love it, and I think you will too. Perfect that it can do it for hot as well as cold too. And I really like that it's reusable, so you can use it time and time again. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.